Hello friends, good to see you all on another video. Today we are going to discuss about capital goods. What is generally capital goods? As per the GST Act, section 2 subsection 19 speaks about the capital goods. Basically two things need to be complied. One is it should be capitalized in the books of accounts. Number 2, it should be used for furtherance of the business. As per section 16 subsection 2, when you want to avail the input tax credit on capital goods, primarily you should have the invoice with you. Number 2, you should have received the goods. Number 3, the tax should have been paid for the goods. Number 4, the returns need to be filed for the same. As per section 16 subsection 3, the depreciation for such goods are not allowed if you want to avail input tax credit. As per section subsection 5, certain capital goods are blocked from availing input tax credit. There are certain exemptions also. In the old central excise VAT regime, we have been using the input credit in a deferred manner, like in a frequent period, like 5 years, 6 years, like that. Whereas, with regard to GST, there is no such restriction. Immediately you can avail 100%. Okay, when the generally capital goods are not allowed, if it is not capitalized in books of accounts, then it is not allowed for input tax credit. When it is for a non-business purpose, then it is not allowed. Suppose if the capital goods are used only for the purpose of producing or delivering exempted goods, in such case also it is not allowed. Okay, I have availed the capital goods input tax credit. When I have to repay it? When you are disposing the goods, you have to reverse it and you have to repay it. This is one point. Sometimes reversal, sometimes repayment. When you are converting the business from regular to composition basis also, the input tax credit availed on capital goods needs to be reversed along with the other inputs. Generally, under GST, capital goods life is 5 years. There will be some various questions on disposal of assets. There are certain scenarios which we can go one by one. We have sold the capital goods after capitalization for a consideration and availed the input tax credit. Then what is the position? As per section 18.6, rule 44.6, we need to pay GST on the transaction value. I have sold the goods without consideration, but I have availed the input tax credit. What will happen? Section 7, read the schedule 1. The GST need to be paid on the transaction value. The value need to be arrived. I have sold the capital goods for a consideration, but I have not availed input tax credit. What is the position? Here you have to go with section 7, schedule 2, whereby you have to pay GST under transaction value. Number 4, I have not availed any input tax credit. I have not sold it for a consideration. I gave it free of cost. What is the position? There is no GST. This is what the clarification. Hope you have a lot of doubts and queries on this. You are most welcome to send your queries. Contact us for more details on the capital goods, which is capitalized, where the input tax credit is availed and disposed of under the GST Act. You are most welcome to contact us. Click the bell icon, like our channel, subscribe our channel, share this to your friends. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.